ensure you maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to provide your skin with essential nutrients. Additionally, consider consulting with a dermatologist to tailor a skincare regimen incorporating these vitamins for optimal anti-aging benefits. You can instantly achieve a more youthful and radiant complexion with the right combination of vitamins and a consistent skincare routine. 7 proven ways to naturally stimulate collagen production after 50. As we age, our skin's collagen production naturally declines, leading to visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and loss of elasticity. Stimulating collagen production is critical for individuals over 50 looking to maintain a youthful complexion. Let's explore 7 natural methods to boost collagen production and rejuvenate your skin from within. 1. Incorporate collagen-boosting foods. Include foods rich in collagen-boosting nutrients such as vitamin C, zinc, and copper. Berries, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are excellent choices to support collagen synthesis. 2. Hydrate and protect your skin. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen daily to protect your skin from UV damage, which can accelerate collagen breakdown. 3. Use retinoids. Incorporate retinoid-based skincare products into your routine to stimulate collagen production, improve skin texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 4. Facial massage. Regular facial massages can help increase blood flow to the skin, promoting collagen production and enhancing skin firmness. 5. Collagen supplements. Consider taking collagen supplements to give your body the building blocks necessary for collagen synthesis and skin rejuvenation. 6. Microneedling. This minimally invasive procedure stimulates collagen production by creating micro-injuries, improving skin texture and firmness. 7. Laser treatments. Laser therapies such as fractional laser resurfacing can stimulate collagen production and improve skin tone and texture for a more youthful appearance. By incorporating these natural methods into your skincare routine and lifestyle, you can effectively stimulate collagen production after 50 and achieve a more youthful and radiant complexion. Before and after examples or testimonials can showcase the transformative effects of these collagen-boosting strategies, inspiring you to embrace a holistic approach to skin rejuvenation. Collagen. The secret for amazing hair, nails, and skin? Collagen, often hailed as the fountain of youth, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and appearance of our hair, nails, and skin. Let's uncover the myriad benefits of collagen for overall beauty and how it can transform your beauty routine from within. Collagen provides structural support for hair, nails, and skin, helping to maintain strength, elasticity, and hydration. It also promotes hair growth, strengthens nails, and enhances skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Numerous success stories and studies have showcased collagen's transformative effects on beauty. Individuals have reported thicker, shinier hair, stronger nails, and smoother, more radiant skin after incorporating collagen into their daily regimen. Scientific research has also demonstrated collagen's ability to improve skin hydration, elasticity, and overall texture. Consider incorporating collagen supplements or products into your routine to enhance your beauty from within. Collagen peptides, powders, and supplements are readily available and can be easily added to your favorite beverages or recipes. Look for high-quality collagen products easily absorbed by the body for comprehensive beauty enhancement. By harnessing the power of collagen for your hair, nails, and skin, you can unlock the secret to fantastic beauty from the inside out. Embrace collagen as a vital component of your beauty regimen and witness its transformative effects on your overall appearance and confidence. Skin renewal. Skin renewal is a fundamental process that involves shedding old skin cells and generating new ones, resulting in a fresh, radiant complexion. Collagen, a vital protein in the skin, plays a significant role in skin renewal by providing structural support and promoting cell turnover. Let's explore how collagen influences the skin's natural renewal process and discover practical ways to promote skin rejuvenation through collagen support. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, firmness, and hydration, which is crucial for a healthy skin renewal cycle. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to a slower skin renewal process and visible signs of aging, such as dullness, wrinkles, and sagging skin. You can enhance skin renewal and achieve a youthful complexion by supporting collagen production through skincare routines, treatments, and lifestyle choices. Wrinkle reduction. Collagen is crucial in reducing wrinkles and maintaining youthful skin, making it a key component in any anti-aging skincare routine. Understanding how collagen loss contributes to wrinkle formation is essential for effectively targeting and preventing signs of aging. Microdermabrasion, laser resurfacing, and facial massages can help improve skin texture and firmness by enhancing collagen production. Encouraging viewers to adopt collagen-boosting practices is critical to wrinkle prevention and reduction. Incorporating a healthy diet rich in collagen-boosting nutrients, staying hydrated, protecting the skin from sun damage, and using skincare products that support collagen production are essential to maintaining youthful skin and minimizing wrinkles. By prioritizing collagen-boosting practices in your skincare routine, you can effectively combat wrinkles and achieve a smoother, more radiant complexion. Natural collagen. Apply it in the evening. In the morning, you won't recognize yourself in the mirror. Harnessing the power of natural collagen for overnight skin rejuvenation can lead to transformative effects that leave you looking refreshed and radiant in the morning. Applying collagen at night offers unique benefits for enhanced absorption and repair, making it an essential step in your skincare routine. Our skin undergoes a natural repair and regeneration at night, making it the ideal time to apply collagen for maximum effectiveness. Collagen molecules can penetrate deeply into the skin while you sleep, promoting cell turnover, boosting hydration, and supporting collagen synthesis. This overnight application helps plump up the skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve overall skin texture. For overnight collagen application, consider using collagen-infused serums, creams, or masks specifically formulated for nighttime use. Alternatively, you can create DIY treatments using natural ingredients like honey, aloe vera, and essential oils to nourish and replenish your skin while you sleep. Testimonials and visual results can showcase the morning transformation after using collagen overnight, highlighting the rejuvenating effects on the skin. Incorporating natural collagen into your evening skincare routine allows you to wake up to a revitalized complexion that radiates youthfulness and vitality. Embrace the power of natural collagen for overnight skin rejuvenation and experience the magic of waking up to a more radiant version of yourself in the mirror. We encourage you to take action and engage with our content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others seeking beauty insights. Together, let's continue our journey towards healthier, more radiant skin, luscious hair, and strong nails through the power of collagen. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more beauty tips and tricks with you in the future.